even better, my God.
Hello, what's up everybody? My name is Sharon Madonna for Cooking with Madonna, and I'm not a professional chef. I'm just a girl who likes to cook, modify recipes, and play around with the ingredients to come up with good, amazing, delicious dishes. That's exactly what we'll be doing on this show. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to make potato frittata. Of course, everybody makes it differently, but my way might be different and nice. So let's get into it. So this is the moment you've all been waiting for, the moment of truth. And today I'm here with Joy. I'm here to taste the food. Yeah. So let's see if Joy will like it. We've served ours with barbecue sauce. So you get to taste without barbecue sauce and with barbecue sauce, and then you see how it tastes. Okay. The spiciness, especially the chili, but it's chili nice. Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10. 10. Oh, top chef. I'm officially a top chef. Really, yeah. Okay, with barbecue sauce.
It's even better, my God.
The sauce is really nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can serve with whatever sauce you prefer. But ours is amazing. We recommend this. So if you make this at home, maybe you can tag us. And also you can add other spices that you like, and you can omit the ones you don't want, because it's all on you, it's all on your preferences.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it from us today. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye.